Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 7, Basic Level. Question number 7. "45% of the students who take part in a creative writing competition are boys. If 135 boys take part in the competition, find the total number of students who take part in the competition." First, write the given condition in equation form, that is 45% of students equals to 135. Now we will find 1% of students by using the given percentage, so divide whole equation by 45 as shown in steps, so 1% of students equals to 135 upon 45. Now we have 1% of the students, that is 135 upon 45, so in order to calculate the 100% of the students we have to multiply both sides by 100 as shown. After multiplying both sides of equation by 100, we have 100% of students equals to 13,500 upon 45. Now simplify this fraction as shown. After simplification we have 100% of students equals to 300, therefore, the total number of students who take part in the competition is 300. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below, also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.